Academy. Science Academy is a free resource for students, teachers, and parents to explore all kinds of scientific subjects through experiments and activities that you can do at home. I'm meteorologist Kat Taylor. For today's episode, we're going to learn all about the seasons. We'll make a model of the Earth and the Sun to observe how we get the 4 seasons. You're going to want to plan to do your experiment somewhere that you can make it somewhat dark. You're going to need a styrofoam ball, a permanent marker, and either a pencil or a skewer, and a lamp with the shade removed. So what you're going to do is you're going to mark an N on the top of your ball and an S on the bottom of your ball, and put the skewer or the pencil through your styrofoam ball. And then you're going to draw a line around the center that's going to represent the equator of the Earth. All right, let's do the experiment. You're going to set the lamp in the center of the room that you're in. You may need an extension cord to do that. And you're going to want to tilt the N side of your model slightly toward the lamp. Now, you need to remember which wall the N is pointed toward, because we're going to keep pointing the N side of your ball toward that wall through the entirety of this activity. So notice which part of the ball is lit. Now you're going to want to walk a quarter turn around the lamp, keeping that north pole tilted at the same angle. And make note how this changes the light on your ball. In this case, the light is kind of going through the center of the ball. Now walk another quarter turn around your lamp. And what side of the ball is lit this time? Now finish walking the rest of the way around your lamp, pointed at the same angle, that wall that you've been pointing at, and see what part of your ball is lit. You'll notice that it's pointing toward the equator once again. And then our final turn back to where we started, and we have it pointed toward our North Pole. You just modeled the Earth and how it travels around the sun, thus creating the seasons. Here's another look at what's happening. The Earth's axis is tilted at 23 degrees, to be exact. We'll keep this tilt as our planet circles the sun. Both the autumnal equinox and the vernal equinox, also known as the first day of autumn and spring respectively, is when the center of the sun is positioned directly over the equator. So all areas of the Earth receive about 12 hours of daylight. The summer solstice, or first day of summer, is when the center of the sun sits directly above the Tropic of Cancer. So the northern hemisphere has longer days, with the Arctic Circle seeing 24 hours of daylight, while the southern hemisphere has short days. The Antarctic Circle sees 0 hours of daylight. The winter solstice, the first day of winter, is when the center of the sun is directly over the Tropic of Capricorn. This time, the southern hemisphere has longer days. The Antarctic Circle has 24 hours of daylight, and the northern hemisphere has shorter days, with the Arctic Circle having 0 hours of daylight. Notice the distance between the Earth and the sun didn't change. How we get the seasons is from the tilt of our Earth. If you'd like to complete this experiment at home, you can find detailed instructions on ktiv.com.